Welcome to the creative curriculum for Transitional Kindergarten designed for California, where children investigate, create, play, and learn. Teachers inspire joyful, curious learners and build the confidence, creativity, and critical thinking skills children need. Spark joy and natural curiosity as little learners learn and develop in all areas research shows critical for whole child development, building the foundation for academic skill development. Here are 4 reasons why you're going to love the creative curriculum, created by and for educators. 1. Respect and nurture individual skill progression for the whole child. Every child is unique and develops on their own timeline. Progressions of learning and development from birth to age 8 enable you to meet each child where they are. Anything less fails to serve every child's needs. Embedded guidance to individualized learning illustrates clear steps to differentiate instruction and leave no learner behind. It's easy to start your year off right, ensuring all children feel welcomed and included with a step-by-step guide to building a positive classroom community. Then, follow the recommended scope and sequence, or let children's interests guide the way. Every experience is built from research-based objectives aligned to your program's early learning guidelines, and the creative curriculum provides the support you need every step of the way. 2. Harness the power of play through studies. Studies and investigations pave the way to create magical moments, incorporating language, literacy, phonemic awareness, and mathematics throughout the day, every day. Children learn best from the world around them, not through abstract themes. Learning is hands-on, project-based, and filled with fun. Studies spark children's natural curiosity as they investigate firsthand. 3. Seamlessly connect families to their child's learning. Family engagement bolsters learning. Engaging activities, videos, and digital children's books tied directly to classroom instruction each week are sent automatically to families, saving teachers time and reinforcing the joy of learning at home. Two-way communication connects families and your classroom. 4. Provide intentional support for every teacher, every day. All the resources and guidance you need are at your fingertips. Streamline teaching, learning, and assessment with your own smart digital assistant. Get inspired with embedded, flexible professional development, learn best practices, and engage with your professional learning community all in one place. Easily onboard and get up to speed. Inspire children to ask big questions, explore like scientists, and create like artists with a creative curriculum for Transitional Kindergarten for California, where you respect and nurture each child's individual skill progression, where studies harness the power of play, families connect to their child's learning, and teachers receive the support they need every step of the way, ensuring a love for learning takes flight.